Hi there, today I am going to walk you through some important basic settings like your site title, homepage settings and URL structure. Don't worry, we will go step by step. So let's get started. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard, look on the left hand menu, go to the settings, then click on general. Here you will see some basic info about your site. On the top you will see site title. This is the name of your website. You can call it anything like tech blog or my travel journey. Tagline. This is a short description that shows up next to your title. Something like just another WordPress site. You can change that to something better. WordPress address URL and site address URL. These are usually the same. Just make sure they both have HTTPS if your site has an SSL certificate. Admin email address. This is where you will get notification about your site. Make sure it's correct. Membership. If you want people to register on your site, check this box. New user default rule. Usually this set to subscriber. You can leave it as it is. Set your time zone, date format and time format based on your location and what you prefer. Once done, click Save Changes at the bottom. Now let's go to Reading Settings. Back on the left menu, under Settings, click on Reading. Here is what you will see. Your homepage displays. This controls what shows up on your homepage. If you want a blog style site, keep it on your latest post. If you made a custom homepage, you can select a static page, then choose your homepage and blog page from the drop down. This sets how many posts are shown on page. You can keep it 10 or change it based on your needs. Search engine visibility. If you don't want Google to index your site yet, maybe because it's under construction, you can tick this box, but remember to uncheck it when your site is live. Click Save Changes when you are done. Now let's talk about permalinks. These are super important for SEO and user-friendly URLs. Again, go to Settings and click on Permalinks. Instead, select Post Name. This gives you clean URLs like yoursite.com/myfastpost. Much better, right? If you are building custom structure later, you can explore other options, but for most beginners, post name is perfect. Once again, don't forget to save changes, and that's it. We just covered three important parts of WordPress settings: general settings, reading settings, and permalink settings. These might seem small, but they make a big difference in how your website looks, behaves, and ranks on search engines. If you found this video helpful, please share this video. Thanks.